Okay, today I'm going to be making something healthy and delicious, and I'm not just saying that, these zucchini tots were pretty lit. The most tedious part of this process is definitely going to be pre-treating the squash. I'm shredding 4 zucchini through a fine box grater, adding a heaping tablespoon of salt before letting it sit for 20 minutes, and then transferring it to a cheesecloth to strain. It has a lot more moisture than you think, so really work hard to squeeze out as much liquid as you can because there's going to be a lot. And we want this mix as dry as possible to help bind with the other ingredients. I'm trying to stay low carb on this one, so I'm adding eggs, almond flour, shredded cheddar cheese, these Korean chili flakes, some other homemade spices of mine, and I'm bringing that all together. Scoop out about a teaspoon's worth of the mix, then use your hands to form it into the shape of a tater tot. Then onto a baking sheet with a silicone mat, make sure they're lined up nice and neat, and then we're going to pop these into the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. They should be slightly browned on the outside, but probably still steaming in the middle, so I'll let them chill for a bit before digging in. This will help make the cheese nice and gooey on the inside, which is something I'm sure we all want. And now, we eat. Okay, today I'm going to be making something healthy and delicious, and I'm not just saying that, these zucchini tots were pretty lit. The most